Good afternoon. You're watching another episode of Phantom Flight 101. We're over here at Calvert Vaux Park, and those guys are at it again. Got a little meetup here today, but we're supposed to be here today.
We have Big Matt coming, Ray Cool Bick, Justin Drone Evolution, Anthony Charles, and we even have the captain flying in from Florida, Ray Kelly.
So basically, some of the finest drone pilots on the East Coast.
That's right. Out of the state, locally, quite a few pilots.
All
some
right.
of the best, like you said.
So let's put the birds up and get some shots. Hope you enjoy the flight. How you like it out here, man?
Oh, that's great.
Enjoying
Nice
yourself?
To see, everyone,
All right.
all the people you see on the Facebook, you see them here now. Even the people you haven't seen in a while, so it's good.
All right. Enjoying yourself, man?
Oh man,
Getting your fly on, getting your eat on.
I haven't seen you guys in so long, man. I'm just glad to see just all you guys, man.
What's up, Tony? How you liking it out here?
It's amazing. I love New York City. It's the first
Okay.
time here too.
First time here?
First time here.
All right, so he's at the meetup today with
That's
the
right.
guys. Those guys meet up.
Those guys.
Enjoying yourself. You getting something? Got something to eat?
I got something to eat.
All right.
But good sauerkraut.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. That was
So
good.
we got burgers, we got dogs, and got a couple of things out here. So guys flying, guys getting to eat on,
That's right.
enjoying themselves.
Absolutely.
All right. So what's going on, man? You enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
I'm here with the drone bum. That's right. Who let the bum in? How are you doing?
I'm doing good, buddy. Good to see you.
Getting your fly on, man?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Enjoying the place and meeting the guys,
I've
hanging
been
out
off
with
for
the
the
guys?
last 10 days, man. I just
Okay.
got back from North Carolina and I flew my face off down there.
All right, all right.
And I wasn't going to come today. Like, oh, God, they just told me the last minute. I'm like, let's throw meet up here. I got to go, man. I didn't even unpack.
You gonna be in Rhode Island too?
I didn't even, yeah, you know that.
We're gonna be up in Rhode Island in a couple of weeks, guys.
The 31st, right?
Yeah.
Be there.
All right. Take it easy, man.
Thanks, buddy.
So Ray, how was it, man? What's the best part of the meetup for you?
I tell you, just meeting everybody. You know, coming down here, flying, meeting everybody, and your hot dogs and hamburgers look pretty good too.
Thank you. Thank you. No, I just love the meetups when you get to meet some of the guys. You know, place the names with the faces of the guys, you know, that you meet on YouTube. Like when I went down to South Jersey, Ken Herron, and I met up with a few of the guys that come into his live stream. They come over to my live stream. You know, it's a small community, but a bunch of great guys.
Oh, they were. There were so many nice guys, and they share their knowledge, which is nice. You know?
That's the best part of the meetup, guys. I got flying things here today that I've never seen before. You know, and guys fly everything. So
well, I have to say, man, I was very impressed with the sunken yellow submarine.
Yeah, that's one of the things about this park. You know, like I said, even out here behind the fields over there, there's some old boats that people just dragged. You know, they drug them in there and left it. This creek over here seems like it's the place, man. Whatever you can haul in here, burn it and dump it and leave it, they did. Well, that was the meetup. I'm gonna go over here and catch up with Novice Quad so we can get up out of here.
Yeah, there you go.
Thanks for coming out, man.
Well, thanks for inviting me. I appreciate it.
Anytime. Hopefully we'll see each other again up in Rhode Island.
Definitely. Yeah, looking forward to that.
All right. See you later. So that's the end of the meetup. It was successful.
Yeah, I'm glad everybody that came got a chance to come and say hello, fly, have a couple of hamburgers,
Yeah.
a few hot dogs.
That's right, we did have food. Guys enjoyed themselves pretty well. I had a conversation with Captain Ray. He enjoyed coming out and meeting up with the guys. You know, most guys like to share stories and tricks and stuff like that with other guys in the drone community. I was telling him that the best thing about it is you see these guys in the live streams in the chat, but getting to place a face with those names.
Yeah,
The guys that
that's
come
true.
in and support you every week.
Like JSK, he
Yeah.
came to support us.
Yeah, JSK.
I finally got to meet him in person. There's
Came out
Drone Psych. I never
Came out
met
with
him
his
before.
Wife. JSK came out with his wife,
Yeah, so it
Few
was a
other
good
guys,
turnout.
yeah.
And as you see, we're both sitting down on the bench finally. The day is over, y'all.
Yeah, I'm real tired. That's the end of the meetup. First one for those guys, successful
Yes,
in the books.
yes, it was.
I will say we had a few people that stopped through the live stream all the time. Even people that come on the show.
Yes.
But that's about it. And like I said, that was our time here at Calvert Vaux. And I hope you enjoyed the meetup and the flight.
I agree.
Please feel free to check out the descriptions below. And also feel free to leave your comments. And I'll see you next time
On those guys.
with those guys.
Thank you.